Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by explaining what battery health means and why it matters. Battery health compares current full charge capacity to the original design capacity. Both values are reported in mWh on laptops. You must use those two numbers only for an accurate percentage. The formula is simple. Divide full charge capacity by design capacity. Multiply the result by 100 to get percent health. This percent tells you how much capacity remains versus new condition. Use exact mWh numbers for precise calculation. Next, show how to find the design capacity and full charge capacity on your laptop. On Windows, run powerconfig/battery report and open the generated HTML file. The report shows design capacity and full charge capacity in mWh. On Mac OS, run ireg-lgrep capacity and read the values labeled in mWh. On Linux, use upower or cat files in /sys/class/power, supply /bat0/ to read energy full and energy full design. Always use the mW. Now perform the calculation and interpret the result for practical use. Take the full charge capacity number in mWh and divide it by the design capacity number in mWh. Multiply that quotient by 100 to get a battery health percentage. For example 42, 800 mWh divided by 56, 000 mWh equals 0. 764. Multiply by 100 to yield 76. 4% health. Treat values at or below 80% as significant degradation affecting runtime. Consider replacing the battery if runtimes no longer meet your needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.